In this video, I'll cover some of the best Mac cleaning solutions around to clean and maintain Macs. Here are my favorites. Number 1. CleanMyMac X, one of the most powerful options for Mac users who want to declutter their Mac. It has a gorgeous interface, and you can really do a lot with it. Not just clean tons of junk, but also delete apps and tune your Mac in various ways. There's a free version available. I put the link in the description, or you can just Google it. I'll show you briefly how it works. Download and launch the app. Click Smart Scan. Click Scan to find all of the junk files. Now click Run to remove them for good. And that's it. There's an antivirus tool included too. By the way, CleanMyMac X is highly rated by the Macworld magazine, so check it out. Number 2. Data Rescue. Developed by ProSoft Engineering, Data Rescue performs several key functions for poorly performing Macs. Its main function is to recover files from a crashed hard drive, or from a lost and deleted file recovery. Although not strictly a Mac cleaner, Data Rescue 3 can optimize and tidy up system areas that are causing macOS performance issues. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. Disk Doctor. Disk Doctor is developed in the UK. It was awarded the Mac Gem Award by Macworld in 2013. CNET and other tech journalists also praise its functionality. Can it help your Mac? Well, Disk Doctor is a useful tool for Mac cleaning. It removes many categories of junk like application logs, external languages, and downloads. Everything that slows down your machine. Alright, looks good to me. Number 4 is DaisyDisk. DaisyDisk gives you a visual representation of all your Mac's folders, making it easy to see what's taking up space and delete folders you don't need. The similar tool you'll also find in CleanMyMac X. Okay, all you need to do is select a drive, DaisyDisk will scan it, and then you can delete everything that's wasting valuable space. It comes with a free and a premium version. Nice. 5. CCleaner. Originally created in 2004 by Piriform, CCleaner comes with a free and professional version. Although created for PCs in the early days, CCleaner does well to identify unwanted files on a Mac. It has 4 or 5 main tools, which is enough for basic level cleanup. You just tick a few boxes here and there and then press Run Cleaner. Okay, those are my favorite Mac cleaner apps. Sure, you can clean up your Mac manually, but using a dedicated software will save you tons of time. See the links in the description where we'll compare how these apps stand against each other. Happy cleaning!